Thea F40 is a new generation of high-pressure cleaning equipment made with new energy sources, specifically developed for cleaning urban sewer pipes. It is mainly used for urban pipeline dredging, municipal pipeline maintenance, and sewer dredging operations. The front of the equipment integrates a control panel, pressure gauge, drain switch valve, drain pipe interface, lights, water supply pipe, high-pressure water pipe, pressure regulating valve, fire pipe connection, fire pipe inlet ball valve, and filter. The back of the equipment is equipped with a water tank and battery pack, adopting an integrated structure. The equipment comes with a wireless remote control, which includes an emergency stop, a power switch, and a status display. It allows for adjustment of the hose reel speed and supports remote control of hose reeling, high-pressure pump start or stop, and water pressure adjustment. Remote operation is more flexible and convenient. The equipment is equipped with a dual-control digital display system. View the pump speed, flow rate, water pressure, battery status, water tank level, and other information in real time. A 400-liter water tank, coupled with a high-pressure flow rate of 40 liters per minute, allows for high-pressure output of a full tank of water in just 10 minutes. Equipped with a 60-meter high-pressure steel wire hose and a 30-liter tank water injection pipe. Panel control. One-click cable rewinding. Panel control. One-click cable unwinding. Remote control. One-click cable rewinding. The equipment is powered by a 30 kWh lithium battery, which can operate for 2 hours on a full charge. It has a high-pressure output flow rate of 40 liters per minute and a pressure of up to 200 bar. Long-distance remote control. One-click switch spray gun mode. Handheld control nozzle switch. Spray gun effect demonstration. Effectively clear pipe blockages and eliminate dirt adhered to inner pipe walls.